Here is exactly how to make $300 a day on Fiverr. First of all, you need to put a gig up onto Fiverr that lists the following packages. Once you get an order on Fiverr, then head over into this website and type in the keyword which your client wants you to deliver. For example, if it's a fitness related video, then just click this template here and edit it. Customize this template to suit your client's requirements and export it 100% free without a watermark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of that using 100% free tools without any watermarks involved. Hi everyone, this is Greg Kononenko. On this channel, I put out regular videos dedicated to making money online, traffic, and affiliate marketing. If for some reason you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, click subscribe just below this video and you'll get notification about my next video. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. One of the best ways to make money on Fiverr is video gigs. If you head over to fiverr.com and click on video and animation, you will see that there are a lot of different categories of gigs where you can make really good money with very little effort. For example, let's take a quick look at this category here, short video ads. You will see that there is a wide variety of gigs at different prices, some starting at $10 and some even charging $3,000 and some somewhere in the middle, $350, $50, $55, etc. for just a short video. Here is an example of one of those gigs. You can see that it says, I will make a professional promo intro product event video editing. It has had 241 pieces of feedback, so this gig most likely has had 2,000 or 3,000 orders at least. 2,000 orders multiplied by $60 average price, that's $120,000. So this gig right there is a six-figure business. And if you look at the examples of the work that are provided here in the gig, there is nothing complicated. The gig itself is very simple. It's 25 seconds, 40 seconds, or 60 seconds of video, and the prices are $40, $60, or $90 for each of those clips. And you can fulfill those gigs, which have very high demand, using a 100% free video editor called InVideo. And if you want to sign up for this tool for free, 100% free, click the link in the description below. You can create videos without even having a watermark on them, and you can quickly deliver these gigs that pay you anywhere from $40 to $90, creating them inside InVideo using 100% free stock footage. If you are just first starting out, then go ahead and take a look at the different gigs and different categories. Check out which ones seem to be in demand, so which ones have a lot of feedback. Any gig with 20 or 30 feedback pieces means that this kind of gig is in high demand, so you can open each one of them up and create your own gig listing, and you can create multiple gig listings and sort of model your own gig listing based on the gigs that seem to be doing well. So use a similar headline and use a similar gig description. Now, of course, if you're first starting out, you will need to start out with lower prices. So if this kind of package is charging $40, $60, and $90, then perhaps you will want to lower your prices and make it something like $5, $10, and $15 to start with, until your rating goes up and until your feedback score goes up and until you've got a little bit of feedback on your gig. After that point in time, you can actually raise your prices. Once you've started receiving the orders from your customers, you can use this tool here InVideo to fulfill these orders and to create your videos. As I mentioned before, there is a link to sign up for free just below this video. I'm going to show you in this video how to do everything inside InVideo to create one of these promotional videos. Now, let's just talk for a second about pricing. InVideo is actually a 100% free tool. They've just recently changed the way that they price their services. You will see that there are three tiers. There is a free tier, business, and unlimited. Now, under the free tier, which does not cost you anything, and that's the one that you can start up from, you will see that it's free forever, and there are watermark-free videos. Previously, they used to put a watermark on their videos. Now that has been removed, and now you can actually get watermark-free videos. There are over 3,500 templates on the free plan and over 3 million in standard media library. So this is stock videos and stock images, over 3 million, 100% free. There is a limit of 15-minute video duration for each video, but it's plenty fine to fulfill some of these shorter gigs that you can sell easily on Fiverr for really good money. Once your business picks up, you can think about upgrading to either business or unlimited plans. And this is where I can actually provide you with a coupon where you can save 25% off. So take a look at the description below. There are all the details about that. If you sign up via my link, then at a later point in time, you can use my coupon to actually upgrade to one of these plans, and that'll give you a 25% off. And this gives you other things such as access to over 1 million pieces of premium media and various other things. But for the purposes of today's video, I'm going to show you how to do everything in the free plan, because this is actually enough to make you succeed and start making that money on Fiverr. Okay, so once you receive an order on Fiverr, you can jump inside in video and you can use the pre-made templates to quickly create and customize a video for your customer. This way you can actually fulfill multiple orders every single day. Let's say you receive an order from a customer who wants to have a promotional video, a short video for their restaurant. All you need to do in this case is type in restaurant into the search bar and see what kind of templates are available. You can see there are heaps and heaps of restaurant templates. There is restaurant poster, cafe and restaurant ad, there are restaurant testimonial. You can click on any of them and customize the video. If it is for a fitness customer, for example, you can type in fitness or gym, okay, and take a look at what kind of categories they have. There are templates for literally any possible niche that you can imagine. If your customer, for example, is a gym studio or a yoga studio, you can use this template here. All you would need to do is just click on this, then click here at the bottom. You can see there is use this template, and that will open up the editor interface. You'll see that it's all laid out in a simple to use interface. Everything is prearranged already for you into an editor. So here at the bottom, you can see that each of these sections is actually a separate clip, and there is the media. So the images and the videos are already there. So you can sort of just preview. If you click this button, play all scene, you can preview the whole clip. You will see that, for example, there is a video there in the background where this person is meditating, and the next scene is this person doing these exercises, right? And yoga, Pilates, and Hatha is already entered in here. Everything is drag and drop. So if you wanted to change any of them, you can easily do that. So for example, if you wanted to change this underlying clip here, all right, let's say you don't want this, you want something else. All you need to do is just point at it, click delete, and then search the media over here on the left-hand side. As you remember, there are over 3 million different stock images and videos. So we can just put in, for example, yoga and see what comes up. If you don't want to include paid results, just untick these buttons, include iStock and include premium media. If you're on a free plan, it's completely fine. Just untick those and you will be able to use any of the videos that are 100% free for you to use on a free plan. Let's say you decide to use this clip over here. You just need to drag it into the timeline and adjust it to the duration of your section. So for example, if you want it to be 5 seconds, you can do that. Click done. And you can see now it has been inserted over here instead of the other video that we had. So that's how quick and easy it was. So if we once again preview all scenes, you will see now this has changed to that new video that we had. Now, other things are completely editable as well. So if you want to change, for example, this call to action at the bottom to, let's say, the name of the studio, all you'd need to do is just click over here and type that in. So for example, you might want to say something like Greg's Pilates Studio, all right? And that will update straight away over here. And then you can change all the styles, fonts, colors. And let's say if I wanted to change this color of this element from sort of pink to another color, I can do that as well very quickly and easily. So we just need to go into layers here, go into background, and then go change project colors. And under this color, we want to choose custom and then change the color, let's say to blue over here like this. And you can see that this is now done. It was very quick. This way you can go through step by step each of these scenes. You can also adjust the lengths of the scenes. You can adjust any of the text. You can adjust any of the images and videos. So it's a very powerful editor, and it's 100% free, which is pretty amazing. Now, it also allows you to switch templates. You can actually go back into template, and if you just decide to use a different template to the template that you've got, you can do that from over here. So let's say you want to switch it to the gym template, type that into the search box and use which one you would like to use. Let's say you want to switch to this one. You just click that and it will automatically allow you to use this template instead of the one that you've got. For example, if we want to do this and we want to add a scene from this template, then we can do that right from over here, add a new scene, yes, and it will insert that new scene into where your cursor was. So now we've just got a new clip inserted just like this into our existing video. The other cool thing that I really like about InVideo is that they've got live chat. So if you're ever stuck, even on a free plan, you can actually contact them and ask them for help. They will help you with anything that you need. So you just click in the bottom left here, see there is like a live chat message button, and you can go through where it says talk to us now, just ask any questions that you want. If you want to add any music, for example, you can do that. Just go into music and choose this type of music from here. Now you will be able to use this completely free because all of the music that is in here is copyright free, so you've got full rights to sell the clips with this music. Again, same for images. If you want just to add some static images, you can. There are millions and millions of images for you to choose from. If you would like to create some extra things like stickers, etc., it's all on the left hand side here as well. So for example, you can go into stickers and just add any of these things into your timeline just like this. You know, it's crazy powerful for a free tool. Once you've got your video done according to your client's requirements, you can just export it. Like I said, it's actually 100% free and no watermark even on a free plan. So just click export and that will open up the options for you. Here you can see that you can export in 720p, which is high definition. 1080p is FHD, so you can actually get really good resolution on your export even on a free plan. Ultimately, you can create a lot of different gigs in a lot of these different categories. You just need to figure out which kind of gigs are currently selling well and model your own gigs after those. The other thing that I would highly recommend is to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click the Facebook community. There's going to be a button here on the right hand side at the bottom that says join FB community. When you join, you will actually be able to take advantage of getting advice and getting feedback from 21,500 current members. So for example, if you're unsure of how to do something or how to perhaps best sell your gigs, you can do all of that through within this community. There are people who are already successful video marketers. There are people who do this and sell these videos on Fiverr, and everyone's actually really willing to help. And there are also people from InVideo in this community who will be able to help you out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. Here are a couple of videos to watch next for you if you'd like to learn more ways about making money online. And of course, if you're not yet a subscriber, hit subscribe just below this video. This way you'll always get updates from me as soon as I post my next one. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.